Once you're comfortable with the basics of digital painting, you might want to go further to add realism. And sure, photographic elements can be a huge part of this process, but for beginners, it's risky. Frankly, the tools don't feel very natural at first, and I struggled with them for years. Which is why I created the Digital Realism Starter Kit, to demystify the process one tool at a time. The collection takes a slow, methodical approach, offering drills and exercises to hone your craft. From finding the right image, modifying it, placing it, and then pulling all these skills together for a complete painting. So if you're ready to take your polish to the next level, Digital Realism is available in the ctrl+paint store today.